last year was one of the toughest seasons of my life. So I needed to work almost 12 hours a day every single day. Walang video games, walang basketball, walang hanging out with friends. Just work, meetings, stress, deadlines, and being a CEO, trader, husband, and dad all at once. Akala ko kapag sobrang nag-work hard ako, kasi finish ko talaga sarili ko, kasi grind, hustle like that, things would get better. Pero hindi. The results were actually worse. Wala akong energy, wala akong clarity, and even sa trading ko na joy and peace zone ko, nakalimutan ko na siya. Sobrang completely burnt out ko, and I realized something that changed how I see everything. Your state is everything. Kasi if you're not in your best state, you make bad decisions. And when you're a leader or breadwinner, other people suffer from those bad decisions too. Naalala ko one time, kausap ko si Coach M, sabi niya, Job, you're expected to be in a peak state every day. Kasi people depend on your clarity. And then may tanong siya sa akin na sobrang tinamaan ako. Sabi niya, you take care of them, pero who takes care of you? So doon ko na-realize na, na-burnout ako, lahat nilalagay ko sa shoulders ko, pero paano naman yung sarili ko? I always thought self-care was selfish, pero hindi pala. It's actually the most selfless thing you can do. Kasi if healthy ka, peaceful ka, and clear ka, you will lead better. You will love better and you decide better. Naalala ko, napanood ko yung movie ni Vice Ganda. It's about being a breadwinner. Alam ko yung title nun, breadwinner nga talaga. Yung sobrang tagal niya nag-work, nagtitipid, nagsasacrifice para sa lahat. Kahit pagod na siya, sige lang. Kahit nasaktan siya, ginawa ng paraan. Until one day, sobrang napuno na siya. Dahil sa anxiety, stress, exhaustion. And that's when I realized, if you keep living like that, or if I keep living like that, I'll end up the same. So I had to stop. Alam ko sobrang cliche, pero totoo talaga eh. Kailangan mo unahin yung sarili mo. Especially kung ikaw yung breadwinner, ikaw yung leader, ikaw yung provider, kasi maraming nakasalalay sa'yo. And no, hindi naman ibig sabihin na maglazada ka everyday or magwalwal ka every weekend. It means doing something regularly na sobrang nagre-refresh ng mind mo, nagre-refresh ng soul mo. Yung tipong simple lang, pero resets your energy and reminds you who you are outside of work. So para sa akin, yun yung basketball. So sa'yo pwedeng jogging, pickleball, swimming, computer games. So for me, it's basketball. Every week, I play basketball. Kasi parang after every game, nare-reset talaga ako. Imbis na pagod ako, yung katawan ko feels alive every after game. Yung mind ko sobrang clear, and yung heart ko feels lighter. Dati kasi, kala ko, sayang sa oras, syempre. Ilang oras yun? 3 hours, di ba? Kasi may mag-ready ka pa and everything, babiyahe ka pa. So 2 hours yung laro, ganyan. Sayang sa pera. Sayang sa energy. Kasi mag-work na lang ako, mag-trade ako, magbabasketball pa ako. Pero nung tinanggal ko siya, mas madami palang nawala. I lost my joy, I lost my balance, and that's when I realized hindi lahat ng gastos are bad investments. Yung ibang gastos gives you something you can't measure, like yun nga, sinabi ko, peace, energy, and clarity. And if you lose those things, you lose everything. So alam nyo ba, may basketball team ang TMT. Meron kami FB page, ayan, TMT Basketball. Follow nyo lang. Pero syempre, disclaimer, wag nyo asahan na puro seryoso dyan. Kasi syempre, nagsama-sama yung mga boys dyan, automatic, syempre, asaran, bulihan, tawanan. Pero lahat kami professionals, lahat kami kanya-kanyang trabaho, and dun kami humihinga. Doon kami nagre-reset. Even if nagagalit si Coach Melo, babalik at babalik pa rin kami every week. Kasi that's where we feel alive. Minsan nga mas okay pa nagagalit sa amin kasi napapansin kami, di ba? Minsan nanalo kami, minsan natatalo, pero either way, we show up together. And that's something money can't buy. Grabe yung bond, grabe yung saya. That's our outlet, that's our passion. So na-realize ko na hindi porket achiever ka or mahilig ka sa success, dapat lahat na lang tungkol sa pera. May mga bagay na nag-exist para lang i-remind ka kung sino ka. Kasi nga sobrang focus natin sa hustle, sa pagtatrabaho, sa pag-trade, sa business. Nakalimutan natin na tao din tayo, na bata din tayo, lalo na yung mga boys. I always tell my students, trading is about multiplying wealth so you can live. Pero minsan kahit ako, nakakalimutan ko yung living na part. Kaya ngayon, pinoprotektahan ko talaga yung passions ko. So basketball may not give me financial ROI, pero it gives me mental ROI, emotional ROI, and spiritual ROI. Minsan tatawa ako sa mga comments na, Puro basketball yung analogy ni coach. Basketball na naman. Pero kasi basketball is really a part of me. Shoutout to Stephen Curry and the Golden State Warriors. Long time fan ako niyan. And ang goal ko talaga is manood ng NBA sa Chase Center. Hopefully, magawa na yun next year kasi baka mag-retire na si Steph Curry at wala pa akong US visa. So if you have a passion that gives you peace, kahit gastos pa yan, try to pursue it. Or pursue it talaga. Kasi kung mawawala yung passion mo, mas malaki mawawala sa'yo. Alam mo, may tawag dyan yung tinatawag na third place. Kasi meron kang home, meron kang work, ano yung isa pa? That place is where you can breathe, be yourself, and reset your soul. For some people, it's the gym. Yung iba, art. Yung iba, travel. Yung iba, music, biking, coffee nights with friends. Sa iba, basketball din. Kasi kapag naglalaro ka talaga, parang naalala mo yung bata ka pa lang na wala ka iniisip. Yung talagang gusto mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Free ka and mahal mo yung buhay mo. Sabi nga ni Bitoy, tumatanda na tayo kaya hindi tayo naglalaro. Pero yung totoo is, hindi na kasi tayo naglalaro kaya tayo tumatanda. Sobrang naniniwala ako dyan and kahit na naglalaro ka, pwede ka pa rin talaga maging successful. And yung success naman doesn't always have to look serious. And I think that's what really keeps me going. Yan kasi nawala talaga sa akin nung sobrang na-burnout ako. So yes, your passion, my basketball, costs money. It takes time, pero it gives me something priceless, myself. And that's something no business, no trading account, no achievement can ever replace. So if you're watching this, find your own version of that passion. That thing that resets you, fills your soul, and makes you better at everything else. Because sometimes, the things that give you zero ROI on paper gives you infinite ROI in life. So, i-build natin yung clear, calm, high-performing version of you one step at a time. So, if this reminded you to take care of yourself again, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And kung trader ka, entrepreneur, or breadwinner, trying to build a life of peace and performance, subscribe ka lang. A huge shoutout pala kay Coach Carmelo sa passion and commitment niya lagi sa team. Siyempre kay Coach Louie din sa lahat ng players ngayon ng TMT and sa lahat ng naging players ng TMT. Kita-kits sa next video.